Okay, so for this video, we are going to talk about ratios and using ratio tables to solve ratio problems. So the problem is, a serving of cashews has 161 calories and 28 grams. 9 cashews is equal to about 12 grams. So how many cashews are in a serving? So we want to figure out how many cashews are in 28 grams. So I'm going to set up a ratio table. Okay, so my ratio is going to be, because we don't really need calories unless the question asks you to figure out something with calories, but for right now we're just going to ignore that because it doesn't ask for calories. It asks for how many cashews are in a serving, which is 28 grams. So we need to figure out the gram thing. So this is going to be cashews, and this is going to be grams. Okay, so I know that my starting ratio is 9 cashews and 12 grams. And that in a serving there's 28 grams. And I don't know this. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so the first step is to figure out, okay, 12 times what equals 28? Okay, so we can figure that out by dividing 28 by 12. 12 goes into 2 0 times. 12 goes into 28 2 times, which is 24. Put a decimal and a 0, bring that down. 12 goes into 43 times, which is 36. 4. So this is going to be 2.33 continued. So we know that 12 times 2.33 is 28. So we need to do the exact same thing to the top in order to keep the ratios the same. So these will be equivalent ratios. If you don't multiply or divide the top and bottom by the same thing or add the same number of units, then you're not going to get an equivalent fraction and you're not going to get an equivalent ratio. Okay, so now we need to do 2.33 times 9. Okay, so when you're multiplying with decimals, you just forget about the decimal until the very end. So 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 is 27, 28, 29. 9 times 2 is 18, 19, 20. Okay, and I have 1, 2 decimal spaces, so I'm going to go 1, 2. So I know that 9 times 2.33 is about 20.97. Okay, so a serving of cashews, answer. Serving of cashews is about 20.97 cashews, or if you want to round up, it's approximately 21 cashews. And that's it.